In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate API calls with Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into the world of automation. First up, you'll need to head over to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quite straightforward. After logging in, look for the Create button. It's usually located at the top left of the screen. Go ahead and click on that to begin the automation process. This will lead you to an area where you can start setting up your Zap, which is what Zapier calls its automation workflows. Next, look for a navigation option labeled Zaps. Clicking on this will show you all the automated workflows you've previously created or can create. It's like a dashboard that gives you an overview of your automation projects. Once you're familiar with the Zaps section, it's time to add an action. You'll find a button labeled Action. By clicking this, you're indicating that you want your Zap to perform a specific function in response to a trigger event. Now we'll focus on integrating with HubSpot. In the search bar, type HubSpot. This is one of the popular tools used for managing customer relationships and sales processes. Clicking specifically on HubSpot will set you up to integrate this platform into your workflow effectively. After selecting HubSpot, you'll need to choose an event that your Zap will execute. This will typically pop up as a drop-down option once you click on Choose an Event. Look closely and you will see a list of different functionalities HubSpot can perform within your Zap. Now type API in the bar that appears next. This is where you'll be accessing the API request feature. You'll need to select that option, which might be labeled API Request Beta. This feature allows you to make direct requests to external services, essentially enabling you to connect your automation to any API that you have access to. Following that, you might be prompted to sign in to your HubSpot account if you haven't already done so. This step is crucial because it authorizes Zapier to interact with your HubSpot data securely. Now that we have guided you through selecting and setting up your automation, it's important to test your Zap to ensure that it works as intended. Zapier usually provides an option to test your settings before activating the Zap, which is a great way to catch any potential issues. Once you've conducted a successful test, don't forget to hit the Turn on Zap button to make your automation live. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've set up a Zap that automates API calls using Zapier. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel empowered to explore even more automation possibilities with Zapier. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing for more helpful content in the future. Happy automating!